channel. Just want to show you a quick video today with my little sister. There is a freaking water explosion over here. Their thing seems to fallen out of it, and this isn't even our house, guys. This is our neighbor. And it's just over freaking flowing. And it's just like,
It's so freaking cool.
it's just popping up. See, look. Oh, water!
Just fix it.
No. But look, there's just a big fountain of water. This is insane, people.
Fix it.
This isn't even our house. This house has no one living here. But it does. Look, guys, someone actually opened the garage door. There's someone living there. We're gonna get close up. Some guy doesn't even know. A guy, I guess, is living there, and he just turned the water off. See, it stopped. See, there's a lady. We don't know her. Come on. We gotta go. So, apparently this lady didn't know that her thing was going off. And it just, I guess, exploded. Okay, we're gonna take a quick picture for our newspaper magazine.